On Wednesday, global investors are in the wait-and-see mood. Traders prefer to refrain from risky bets in light of unpleasant news in the run-up to the conclusion of the first phase trade deal. The yuan declined in response. The US dollar index is trading with minor changes. Today, Donald Trump is due to sign the first phase trade deal with China's Vice Premier Liu He. The ceremony will be held at 11:30 Eastern Standard Time at the White House. Traders are alert to this event of major importance. Yesterday, market participants were in the elevated mood, but today they are puzzled. Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin indicated that there is still a long way to the full understanding between the parties. Besides, he said that tariffs on Chinese imports would be valid indefinitely. Such remarks from Steven Mnuchin dampened market sentiment on risky assets. Today, the yuan snapped a winning streak, which lasted for 7 sessions in a row. On Tuesday, the yuan gained the most over 2 months, responding to the news that Washington dropped China's currency manipulator label. The US dollar index is trading mainly flat at near 97.29. The greenback lost momentum versus the Japanese yen. Now demand for safe haven assets improved a bit. The US Consumer Price Index released yesterday moderates inflation expectations. The Federal Reserve could resume discussions on monetary easing in the medium term. In this context, positive sentiment on the US dollar faded. Today, traders will take notice of the Producer Price Index for the US. Economies had expected producer prices to rise by 0.2% in December. In fact, factory inflation edged up only 0.1% month-on-month. An annual rate climbed 1.3% in line with expectations. The Fed's Beige Book will be featured in the New York session. The US dollar versus the Canadian dollar pair is trading without notable changes at the same level as yesterday. On Tuesday, the currency pair tested resistance at 1.3075, but failed to hold firmly at this level. The outlook for the downtrend is still valid. That's all for today. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to always keep track of the latest events on financial markets. See you back tomorrow.